Clip to save, you will be amazed with couponing Crystle.
Hey lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with my CVS haul for this week, January the 27th. I actually shopped on Tuesday, which today is the 29th. Let's jump into this haul and let me show you guys what I got. The first deal that I did was the Colgate. The Colgate this week is spend 10 and get 5. So I tried to get the cheapest tubes that they had, and those were priced at $3.59 each. It came to be $10.77 for the 3. Hopefully you printed that high value $5 coupons.com coupon that I didn't even realize I had. I was putting my coupons in my binder and I told my sister Marianne, I was like, did you get that $5 Colgate coupon? To me, that was just a high value coupon, you know. I do believe on the coupon it did say that you need to purchase 3. So that was great for me. And I also had a $1 off of 3 Colgate CRT. So that brought my cost down to $4.77. And then I got back a $5 extra buck because I love free toothpaste and I need to stock back up. That's a great low price of darn near free. Okay. My next deal this week at CVS, they have the vitamins, quite a bit of the vitamins. Buy one and get one free. You guys remember when I did the Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails gummies, when I hauled those from Publix, and I was super excited about them. I liked them. I ended up taking them after I had put permanent color in my hair, which was dumb because I don't normally do that, because I normally put semi-permanent, you know, color like a rinse, because I have a lot of gray. Like my hair is really gray. So it ended up really thinning my hair out. I feel from when I first, if y'all can go back and look at earlier videos, I feel like my hair is much thinner than it was. You know, it's and I even feel like it's shorter, honestly. But at any rate, you know, it is what it is. Let's get back to this video, okay? I ended up finding the hair, skin, and nails nature gummies. Yay! These things are $9.99 at CVS. Buy one and get one free. That's an awesome freaking deal. And I'm gonna tell you what made it even sweeter was the fact that I had a 3 off of any vitamin CRT, which brought it down to my price of $6.99. Now this is where it got stupid, okay? It's because Crystle apparently had a coupon in her binder for $1 off of the darn Nature Bounty coupons.com coupon. I was so pissed off that I forgot and didn't even realize. That shows I haven't been couponing, haven't been handling my coupons on a regular. This is not a extra buck deal, but this is a great deal, okay? Because it lowered my cost. It would have actually, if you happen to have the $3 any off vitamin CRT and you have this coupons.com coupon, which would be freaking awesome, you would be able to get it for even lower price, like $5.99 or $4.99, depending on how many of these you have. That would be awesome to be able to get 2 of these. And it's actually 80 gummies in here, each container. The reason why I was excited about these is this is the hair, skin, and nails gummies with the biotin. That's the reason why I took these after I put that color in, because my daggum hair was shedding like crazy. Y'all remember in the videos, Crystle had blondish looking honey blonde hair. Then I had black hair because I had the twin putting some crochets in my hair because I was not trying to do no manipulation because my crap was shedding like crazy. So, all right. So it ended up being $6.99 for the gummies and then $4.77 for the Colgate, making it be $11.66. Now I had extra bucks. And it's a wonder I had extra bucks because y'all know I haven't been doing a CVS haul on a regular, okay? I had a $1 quarterly buck that I had printed. And then I had a $3 extra buck from the last deal that I did whenever I did it weeks and weeks ago. It's a wonder it wasn't expired. So that brought my cost down to $7.76. Then I got my $5 extra buck back, which made my cost be $2.76 because I got, you know, $5 back. So I'm super excited about my deal. I got stuff I wanted, and I got to do a video for you guys, and I got a little $5 extra buck. I ain't gonna be couponing for stuff I don't need. I'm gonna be couponing for stuff I need. Okay, I always need everything I get, or I sell it, or I give it away. You know, it is what it is. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people. Make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.